Hi everyone, I am Shiva. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to review about this intex jogger B series. This is a pretty good Bluetooth device. The special thing is it can be connected with aux together with SD card somewhere around here, and it got some removable battery, so you can easily pop it out and put some new charged battery, the same Nokia found in Nokia phones. I am using MI A1. Its autofocusing is really bad. I don't know what's with this phone's zooming feature. Where you look, if you like zoom, it got pixelated. It got dual camera, but still you can't get pretty, even in good lighting you can't get good images. Coming back, this is my review table. I think this is my one of the remaining headset which is Bluetooth, and I got a boombox, pretty big one by Zook. It's boombox plus series. It too can be connected with SD card or USB, or it can be used for charging your mobile too. I think it got some around 5000 milliampere battery, but I don't know why. Maybe because of this wire, I think. Bad quality by MI. It's not charging my phone. I need to try to charge this headset with this power bank speaker. This one is a 32-watt speaker. It's come with two tweeters and two main speakers and a small woofer, just like how it works in JBL's series. But it's not waterproof. Thank you for watching my review about these two products. I bought this Honor Band 3. These three are my latest purchases. Some update needed, I thought. So this was a cost-effective speaker and one cost-effective headset, and one waterproof fitness band with heart rate sensors. Then talking about the price, this one I bought it for 3200 from Flipkart, but you can buy it for somewhere around 2800 from Amazon. And these two I bought it for 1100 from Flipkart. You can get it somewhere around 900 and something in Amazon, and these two for 2200. I was waiting for MI Band 3, but I couldn't wait for that long, so I decided to buy the Honor Band 3, which comes with waterproofing, so I can take it for my daily swim. Thank you guys again for watching my review video. Peace out. See you next time. Bye bye. Shiva signing out.